The percentage concept. A percent expresses the amount of a single quantity compared to an entire sample. A percent is a ratio of parts per 100 parts. And the formula for calculating percent is percent equals one quantity divided by total sample, total quantity times 100%. And that's how you calculate percent. Now let's take an example. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. There is a typo, it's alloy of copper and tin. If a sample of bronze contains 79.2 grams of copper and 10.8 grams of tin, what is the percent of copper in bronze? So bronze is what? Contains copper and tin. So we need to add 79.2 plus 10.8 grams, which is a total grams. And we need to find out percent of copper, so which is 79.2 gram. And we multiply by 100%, you get 88% of copper in a bronze. A percent can be expressed as parts per 100 parts. 25% can be expressed as a 25 divided by 100, and 10% can be expressed as 10 divided by 100. We can use a percent expressed as a ratio as a unit factor. For example, a rock is 4.70% iron. That means 4.70 grams of iron divided by 100 gram of sample. That's how you can interpret it. Now, let's take an example. The Earth and Moon have a similar composition. Each contains 4.70 percent iron. What is the mass of iron in a lunar moon sample that weighs 92 grams? Now remember, we need to use percent as a unit factor in this calculation. So first, what we want? Grams of iron. So that we can put grams of iron. That's the outcome. Step 2, we write down the given one, which is 92 grams of sample, which is going to be right here. And here we need to apply unit factor. You know equation 4.7 grams of iron equals 100 grams of sample. And you can round to 3 significant figures. So you can see 4.7 gram of iron divided by 100 gram of sample. The way we set up, so grams of sample cancels, and you get, when you multiply and then divide by 100, you get 4.3 grams of iron. So you can take percent as a unit in a unit factor calculation too. We'll take volume calculations in our next lecture.